Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to another video. Well, today was a good day for two reasons. Number one, I bought 10 shares of Tesla. Number two, the market being the market, it's gonna it was down. Not saying it was a good thing, but for me and where I wanted to be, I was trying to get Tesla at a good price. It opened this morning, I think at 281. I wound up buying it at 282, right? So as far as that, I bought 10 shares. I feel good about it, close to $3,000 for the investment, and I'll be buying more as the days and weeks go on. Now, I want to mention two things. Number one, I appreciate the comments. You guys have been commenting astronomically, especially on my last Tesla video, and I appreciate it. I try to answer all the comments back, and I truly appreciate the engagement. Thank you so much. And in spirit of that, there are two people that left comments, two guys that left comments, and I want to shout them out. The first gentleman is Tucker Palacio. So Tucker, if you're looking at this video dedicated to you. I appreciate what you said. And also another gentleman by the name of Ryan East. Yeah, Ryan East. So Mr. Tucker Palacio and Ryan East, thank you so much. This video's for you. You guys sparked me with some ideas and things I didn't name in my last video, but still prove why I'm bullish on Tesla and why I will be buying it no matter what. As long as it's dropping, I'll be buying it. Now let's jump into it. Okay. Last Friday, I told you that if you invested $1,000 in the Tesla, right, to the exact date, last Friday, 5 years from that date, you would have made a whopping from $1,000, $11,849. If you had invested $10,000, in 5 years, your investment would have went from $10,000 to $128,492. Now, we just had the stock split like we spoke about. Last Friday, we had the stock split. And a lot of people talked about it, and a lot of people mentioned, the obvious points. But there are a couple of points that these two gentlemen that left me comments pointed out I forgot to bring up. And this is why I'm bullish on Tesla. Let's jump into it. Number one, Tesla's more than just an EV car maker. Now, every time we speak of Tesla, we think about cars. We think about, them making different, type of vehicles that we see on the road. And, as human beings, we only deal with what we can see, right? Most of the time, we focus on what we can see. But this is the thing. And this is crazy. I saw a video last week about Tesla, right? Where they was trying to make this Android or this Tesla bot or whatever it was called with the artificial intelligence, saying that they're close to doing artificial intelligence. And they're supposed to be unveiling their first stage to the world of what this would look like in the form of an Android or something like that. That's part of Tesla. With Tesla, you get the AI. You get the 18-wheeler, right? And we'll get back to the 18-wheeler in a second. You get fleet taxis. Remember they was trying to do the thing with the fleet taxis, right? The Cybertruck is already out. Now I don't know how many people got it, but I don't know if it's on the road. But like the Cybertruck, he got all these things that are in operational, and just ready for production. So Tesla is more than just a car company. Another thing is getting back to this 18-wheeler thing, and Tucker brought up a big point. The 18-wheeler situation will be huge. Once they come out in fleets and all of these trucker companies like JB Hunt and all these other companies, if they wind up buying it, or any type of trucking companies, period, that deal with interstate logistics. Logistics are a huge part of this country. Once Tesla gets into that, it's like they can just go in that direction alone and make money. So Tesla's different in the fact that it's just more than a car company. Elon Musk has his finger dipped in a lot of different ponds, and all of them can be profitable. And he has teams of the best of the best, working on each of these things. So he doesn't have slouches just working on this stuff. This man is really trying to do something with a mission, and I'm all in on it. But yeah, I just wanted to bring that one point up. And then another thing that Mr. Ryan East brought up, and this is very, 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 I never thought about this. Check it out. We got the drought in China, right? And it's a record drought, right? I don't even think they had a drought like this before. I mean, I briefly read about it, but lakes are drying up over there daily. The water levels daily dropping, and it's almost a serious crisis over there with the country. Who's over there? Tesla. What if the government, now they have a Shanghai plant, what if the government says, okay, we're going to start restricting water, we're going to start shutting water down, and it slows production, or it halts production in China, and I'm not saying this, I'm not into politics or whatever, but there's a little bit of tension between America and China right now over the Taiwan situation, but that's neither here nor there. But think about this. What if China makes it where they say, you know what, we're going to shut down the water area or whatever where the plant is at. All industrial places, certain places have to get shut down. And then they shut that down, or they restrict the water, and it slows the production. What happens with Tesla? It drops. Now, I'm not saying I hope that happens, but if it does, I'm prepared. And a lot of you other investors out there should be prepared. When you're dealing with something like a stock like Tesla, where it's a growth stock, they put their money back into the company, and you see all these products coming out, or these soon-to-be products coming out, companies like this, they fall in economic times. So let's put it in perspective, right? And this is why I'm salivating right now, just thinking about buying more Tesla. And in my portfolio, the way my portfolio is set up, I can take the risk. I have more cash on hand, right? And I want to jump into getting more of this, proving that if the stock goes down. But this is the thing that's big. We got inflation. We got the recession. We got Chairman Powell's speech. The market is in shambles right now. Tesla had a stock split the other day, and it fell. A lot of people that are on the Tesla train will be jumping off. A lot of industrial investors will be getting off of there, right? They'll be trading. They'll be doing a lot of options with this stock, trying to get fast money. Stock going to be dropping, They talking about unemployment might come up. It might be some pain in the market. Either way, I'm prepared. And if you're a Tesla investor, you got to be happy about the situation of getting more shares. Because I think when the wealth transfer takes place, Tesla is going to be one of those companies that makes a lot of millionaires like it did before. Like when they fell in during COVID, and the prices went down. A lot of people put money in it. A lot of people made money. A lot of people in the beginning made money. But I think this one right here, if you jump on it now, with the stock price the way it's at, and where it's speculated to drop to, which nobody knows, but as a dropping rate, because I've never seen Tesla at this price, minus a split, but I've never seen Tesla at this price, post split of the last one, prior to this one. And you know how Tesla is, it has a cult following. People love it or they hate it. I love it right now. I mean, I'm getting into it. Like ever since I made my video last week, I've really been getting into Tesla to see what the magic is. And a lot of people that commented on my page gave me some ideas, gave me some people to take a look at. And trust me, I'm a believer. I love this stock. Now, I'm just telling you what I'm thinking about doing. I'm just a guy on YouTube that likes stock investing and likes talking about it, like meeting new people, because the investment journey is amazing if you do it right. But yeah, guys, that's all I had today. I just wanted to talk about it. But I'm telling you, keep your eye on this stock, guys. I mean, because this is right here is going to make millionaires again. So, but like I said, I appreciate the comments. Keep commenting. The subscriptions have been growing. The channel's been growing. You guys have been wonderful. Remember, stay on the field, not on the sideline. Always be in the market. Always do your research before you pick a stock. Don't take anybody's advice. Do your own research and feel confident that you made the right decision. Don't flip-flop. Once you pick a stock, and you have an idea what it's going to do, if it's a boring stock and it's not moving the way you are, that's normal. This right here is a marathon. It's not a sprint. So take your time, walk it out, make it to your stock market destination. You know, your investing destination. So I appreciate you spending the time with me as usual. Love you guys to death. I'll see you in the next video. And always, like and subscribe. Take care.